In this quick video here, we're going to talk about different application methods utilizing IGORA Vibrance. This is our beautiful, lovely model, Jamie. We're going to show you a low light application using IGORA Vibrance. You can see we've got a wee little bit of a shadow root. There's some broken up highlights from where she'd previously been globally bleached, and then all pretty much here throughout is an old global bleach. So today, we're going to be showcasing how to low light on a blonde just to break up some of this solid bleached area and hopefully kind of match a little bit in here. One thing I will say is that when you're working with IGORA Vibrance and foils, it's best or it's ideal to use the IGORA Vibrance Activator Lotion because you have a thicker consistency that'll stick to the foils, and the foils won't slip as much as if you use something more liquid like the Activator Gel from IGORA Vibrance. Also, side note, the formula here that I used for Jamie's lowlights is a combination of our 7-1, which is a level 7 Cendré Blue Violet, and equal parts with 7-65 level 7 Chocolate Gold. The reason that I chose those two shades is the 7-65 is a level 7 Chocolate Gold. We wanted that because this is very blonde and there's no underlying warmth left. So we want to put that in. However, if any of you have experienced using a warm low light on a super blonde, it usually ends up looking very hollow. So what I did was I balanced the 7-65 with 7-1, and the two of those are not only both going to ground the formula and show up and make sure that I've got a low light, but also with the warmth as well. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up my 7-65 and 7-1 equal parts, and all of that is with the 20 grams, and then 40 grams of our IGORA Vibrance 1.9% 6 volume activator lotion. So it's very easy. You mix this up in the bowl and you can see you've got this kind of nice thicker consistency, which is really ideal for bowl and brush. So you can see there, it's great. Doesn't really drip like a truly liquid or like our gel formula. It would be, it's not drippy, but it's a lot looser. So yeah, this is a thicker formula, which is great and ideal for foiling. So we're gonna do angled lowlights, probably just 3 on each side and then maybe a couple in the back, a little bit lower, focusing on breaking up a lot of the solidity that you see here from the old global bleach. So we'll start in the front here. And you can see here I don't really need to focus too much on the front area, so I'm okay to leave that out. To leave brightness around the face, I'm basically just going to take a slice underneath with our formula. The reason that I like to slice underneath the round of the head is that your low light, the strength of it will be stronger because it's a slice and it's underneath. So you can afford to have a slice underneath versus something that's on top, which is going to give you something a little bit more chunky. So very simple. Take your slice, put it in your foil. Fold that up. Not the sides. So we're just going to continue this, 2 more on this side, 3 on this side, a couple in the back, just to break up the solidness, and we'll check you back in a minute. All right, we are done with our foils. Development time for IGORA Vibrance is very simple, anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. 5 minutes if you're doing like a quick color refresh, maybe at the bowl, up to 20 minutes if you're doing more extensive work like foiling and making sure that your lowlights are really getting in there, or pulling or refreshing color on a client's mid-lengths and ends, you'd probably go the full 20. So that's basically the difference between the development times of 5 minutes all the way up to 20 minutes. So with Jamie, we're gonna go up to 20. We'll rinse her out, do a light shampoo with our Fiber Clinic's Vibrancy range, and then a clear shine treatment. For more tips and tricks using IGORA Vibrance, stay tuned for our next video covering gray blending.